to show a review this week of what you've been learning about possessive nouns. And I just want to make sure this is solid in your mind. As I've looked over some of your work, I'm not really sure everyone's gotten it, so I just want to go over this a little bit, and we may meet in the virtual classroom to look at this also. I just want to remind you of a couple of things. Possessive shows ownership. So if I possess it, I usually have ownership of that. So if I said that the dog belongs to Dora, then it would be Dora's dog, and I show ownership with that apostrophe S. And if the hat of Mr. Brown, to show ownership, I add the apostrophe S, Mr. Brown's hat. That shows ownership by adding that apostrophe S. That's that possessiveness. So the issue sometimes becomes when we are showing possessive plural, when there's more than one that owns something, that or has possession of something. So the cat belongs to the 4 sisters. There's more than one that has ownership. 4 sisters have ownership of this cat. So to show that, you would have 4 sisters, sisters with the S, and the apostrophe would follow the S because the plural word and then the apostrophe. So the 4 sisters cat. That shows that all 4 sisters own that one cat. The essays of the students. So the students have all written these essays. So the essays belong to many students. So they are the students' essays. So students with the apostrophe. So sometimes a plural can have just possession of a singular item, or it can have possession of more than one items. And so that's where some people kind of mess up. We're looking at who it belongs to, and that's where the ownership goes. So sisters apostrophe, students apostrophe. So let's look at a couple of examples just to get that solid in your brain. And if it belongs to one or it belongs to more than one. So if one bird has an egg, it's the bird apostrophe S eggs, the bird's egg. And if it belongs to more than one bird, the bird's egg, it's bird's apostrophe egg. Okay? And if we have one cheerleader that has a uniform, it is the cheerleader apostrophe S uniform, the cheerleader's uniform. But if many cheerleaders have many uniforms, it is the cheerleader's apostrophe uniforms. If one cat has dinner, it is the cat's apostrophe S dinner. If many cats have dinner, it is the cat's apostrophe dinner. So I just wanted you to see the difference of that, of how that looks. So one cat's dinner, 3 cats' dinner. This dinner belongs to one cat. This dinner belongs, 3 cats have to share that dinner. Okay? That's the difference. So I just wanted you to have that as a simple review. Look this over to make sure you get this, okay?